A tuition class, a dance batch, a coaching center. You already know the two questions that matter every day. Who showed up and who still owes you money? This is one Google sheet that answers both. Every batch gets one row here, its fee, and which days of the week it actually meets. That single row is what keeps the attendance math honest later. Type a student's name, pick their batch. The join date freezes itself. The fee fills itself in from the batch, nothing else to type. Tick a box when a student's there. The percentage only counts days that student's batch actually met, not just days on a calendar. Log a payment, pick the student, type the amount, pick how they paid. That's the only place money gets typed in at all. Watch the balance drop the moment it's logged. Red rows are who to call today. Nobody built that list, the sheet just is it. Formulas, checkboxes, and one shared sheet. Make your own copy, links in the description, and it's yours to run.